Adapt your content. Different social media networks accept content for display in different formats. While that is definitely true, there's definitely some overlap across multiple social media networks. Pinterest is the best place to display a graphic, but there are always ways to post graphics or links to most other platforms. It's the same thing for videos and YouTubes. The 140 character limit on Twitter means you have to be thrifty in your words. You can use the blog post outline you created earlier for a Slideshare presentation. Repurposed content on 5 of the most popular social media networks. Twitter is the easiest social media network to post repurposed content. Just turn small snippets of your content into tweets. Ensure you link back to the original post. Make the tweet content interesting enough so that people want to retweet it. To make the tweet stand out, place the textual content of the tweet on top of an attractive image. Upload this to Twitter. Link this tweet back to the actual blog posts. Tweets that have an arresting headline, an eye-catching image, almost always get retweeted multiple times. Facebook. Use similar content combinations on Facebook as you did on Twitter. An interesting headline, an eye-catching image, some value-add copy. Remember to stay conversational. Add a call to action for the reader, perhaps a link back to your original blog post. You can add quotes, statistics, and more to links that point back to your blog post and post this on Facebook. While this is an excellent strategy you can use on multiple platforms, do your very best not to post the same content on different social media networks at exactly the same time. Posts with images on Facebook work best. The images you select can support the rest of your content, or in some cases, the images may not. One nice thing about putting a quote on an image is that you can post this combination on Facebook without any additional textual content. Another option is, instead of placing the quote on the image, use the quote as the actual status update. Place the image and the link back to your blog site below this status update. Pinterest. Pinterest is all about images. This is where you can go into a lot of depth when creating your images. You can create basic content such as quotes, blog post titles, similar to what you do on Facebook and Twitter. However, infographics do very well on Pinterest. Use graphic programs like Photoshop or CorelDRAW or even PowerPoint to create complex images for Pinterest. Slideshare. Slideshare is an ideal place to deliver more in-depth repurposed content. Take your outline or bullet points you created as described earlier in this material, divide them into pages, add images, and create a slideshare. What's even easier is to take a webinar you created in PowerPoint and turn that into a slideshare. Whilst it's common to use very few words on your slides for a live presentation, to get the best results in a slideshare presentation, use a decent amount of text without going overboard. Since this time you won't be there to explain it, the presentation should stand on its own. Slideshare allows you to provide much more information than you ever could on Twitter, Facebook, or Pinterest. After you've created the content to post on Slideshare, use all the previous techniques discussed to create tweets and posts that lead to your Slideshare presentation. YouTube. Once you've repurposed your content for Slideshare, optimize the same presentation content for YouTube. Create an audio track or upload a music clip to your slideshow, add a few simple animations, turn it into a video and upload it to YouTube. Another option. Do a quick video in which you summarize a great blog post and then link the YouTube video to the actual blog post article. For example, share only 1 or 2 of the 10 most amazing tips from the blog post via your YouTube video and then drive the viewership to your website so they can read the rest.